Our knowledge in kitchen appliance repairs is over 35 years of experience. With ADS Appliance, you will receive the best service and support. ADS Appliance are licensed, bonded, and insured for your protection. Our friendly and experienced technicians are all background checked and will work hard to win your trust. At ADS Appliance, our goal is to stand out above other appliance repair companies. We strive to do this by providing a quick repair experience done right the first time. We will work with you and your schedule to complete the repair promptly. When your appliance needs repair, call ADS Appliance. You can place your service request online, or check your job status on our website, adsappliance.com.